Hello, this is Lucy from Hebei Giant Metal Technology Company Limited. Our factory founded in 1992, located in Hebei Province, Hengshui City, Anping County, which is near the Tianjin port. That our factory mainly supply and produces the metal fence. The metal fence included the tailing fence, 3D fence, double wire fence. Today I will introduce one kind of our products, the tailing fence. Behind me is the galvanized tailing fence. You may see for the tailing fence, the mesh rows is the diamond mesh. For the wire diameter, we can supply it into 3 mm, 3.5 mm, 4 mm. Some special wire diameter we also can supply. For the diamond mesh holes, that our popular size is 50 by 50 mm, or that 60 by 60 mm, 70 by 70 mm, or 80 by 80 mm. Some more bigger hole are smaller mesh holes that we can also special produce. For the mesh height, that our popular included 0.8 meter, 1 meter, 1.2, 1.52 meter, and that the tallest we can supply it into 3 meters high. One row for the mesh row that is about 10 meter length and 9 meter length, 11 meter length, 15 meter length for the mesh rows. When we install the tailing fence and the post, that we can match them together with the different clamps. The clamps we can use the tension band, brace band, and install with the flat bar with the tailing mesh row and the post. We install the tailing fence. The post included the international post and the first post and the post. For the international post, our popular size is 48 mm. And the thickness can use 1.2 mm or 1.5 mm or 1.8 mm. Some more thicker posts that included 2 mm. This is the corner post. The corner post may be a little bigger than the international post. The corner post we suggest it use 60 mm or that 75 mm or 80 mm for the corner post. The thickness for the corner post also included 1.2 mm, 1.5 mm, or 1.8 mm. Some more thicker posts we also can special produce. For the tailing fence, on the top we can install a horizontal rail, or that if you don't need the horizontal rail on the top, we also can decord it. These horizontal rails, our popular size is 32 mm, and the thickness also included 1.2 mm. Or 1.5 mm, 1.8 mm for the horizontal rail. How that we install the horizontal rail with the post? We will use a end post for the horizontal rail and use a brace band to install the horizontal rail and the post together. For the fence, the top we also can install a double arm or single arm. The single arm we also can install the barbed wire on the top. Double arm, we will install a tension wire or that barbed wire on the top and install the razor wire together to make the fence is more security and strong anti-collapse. For the surface of the tailing fence, this sample is our hot-tipped galvanized surface. We also can supply the PVC coated. Before PVC coated, our material for it is included electric galvanized wire, or hot-dipped galvanized wire, or that aluminum material for the PVC coated material. For the tailing fence, the top horizontal rail, how that we connect the horizontal rail with the other horizontal rail, we will use the sleeve. This is one clamp. We can connect this rail with the other rail together. And if you don't feel it's stronger, we can also use the bolt to through the sleeve to connect the horizontal rail together. For the tailing fence, it's widely used in the highway, railway, school, garden, and many other areas. No matter that you use the chain fence into that bury into the soil or that install on the concrete wall, that we can satisfied. If you want to install the chain fence into the horizontal into the rails, the soil, that we can make the post longer than the chain mesh. For example, if you need the mesh row in 1.2 meter, we can make the post 1.6 meter long. Then that we will bury the longer post into the soil. Then that if you want to install the chain fence on the concrete wall, we can weld a steel feet on the post bottom. The steel feet we can use that 120 millimeter by 120 millimeter, or that 150 millimeter by 150 millimeter. And the thickness for the steel feet we can use 4.8 millimeter to 5 millimeter thickness. When we install on the concrete wall, we can use the expansion bolt to install the post on the concrete wall. For the chain mesh, the surface is only one kind of the surface, the galvanized. We also can supply the PVC coated. The PVC coated for the chain mesh hose is also same with the galvanized, included 50 by 50 millimeter, 60 by 60 millimeter, or 70 by 70 millimeter. Some other mesh hose we also can supply. And the PVC coated chain mesh rows height is also included from 0.8 meter to 3 meter high. And the chain mesh row, the length included 9 meter, that 10 meter, 15 meter, and some longer one we can supply 20 meter long. For the PVC coated the surface, that we always supply hot dipped galvanized wire with PVC coated, electrical galvanized wire with PVC coated, that aluminum material with PVC coated to keep the fence maybe used more long time outside. And that when we install the international post, how that we through the horizontal rail, you may see there is a caps with a hose. We will through the horizontal rail to through the international post. Then next, how that we install the chain mesh row with the horizontal rail, we will use the binding wire. The international post with the chain mesh row, we also use the different binding wire. If you use the galvanized chain mesh row, we will match the galvanized wire, binding wire. If you use the PVC coated chain mesh, we will use the PVC coated binding wire. Okay, this is our introduce of the chain mesh rows. No matter that how big size you need, we can also custom supply the different size. We will supply the one-stop solution. No matter OEM or ODM, we also can satisfy. If you are interested in our products, welcome to contact us for more detail. Welcome to our factory. Thank you.